Hey there, Central Oregon neighbors. Ever wonder how to make your home feel more spacious without knocking down walls? Well, I've got some smart design tricks that will do just that. By the way, I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Realty, your go-to real estate agent here in Central Oregon. Thinking of selling, buying, or investing? I'm happy to have a conversation. My details are below this video. So now, let's dive in. Number 1, optical illusions with paint. First up, let's use color to our advantage. Light, bright colors make rooms feel bigger and airier. Consider soft whites, light grays, or pale blues for walls. And here's a pro tip. Painting the ceiling a lighter shade than the walls can make the room feel taller. Number 2, strategic furniture placement. Now, it's all about placement. Keep the flow of your space in mind and arrange furniture to maximize open areas. For example, pulling your sofa away from the wall slightly can create the illusion of more space. And choosing pieces with exposed legs can make your room appear more open. Number 3, clever storage solutions. Storage can be stylish too. Look for dual-purpose furniture, like a bed with built-in drawers or a coffee table with storage space. This keeps clutter out of sight and makes your living areas feel more expansive. Number 4, lighting is key. Good lighting can dramatically change a space. Aim for multiple light sources in a room to spread light evenly. Floor lamps, table lamps, and even string lights can add warmth and depth, making your space feel larger. Number 5, mirror on the wall. Mirrors aren't just for checking your reflection, they're great for making rooms feel bigger. Place mirrors opposite windows to reflect natural light and visually double your space. It's an easy, effective trick. Implementing these ideas can make a huge difference in how your home feels, turning it into a space that's both cozy and spacious. Remember, it's all about making the most of what you have and thinking creatively. Thanks for watching, everyone. Here's to enjoy bigger feeling homes right here in our beautiful Central Oregon. Can't wait to share more tips with you soon. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Realty.